Gen 2025, where we showcase the future of Australia's HVAC and R industry. Once again, the Australian Refrigeration Council has partnered with CCN to present our top 20 technicians under 25 years of age. Before we start, let's cross over to Glenn Evans, CEO of the Australian Refrigeration Council.
The Australian Refrigeration Council is proud to support CCN and Next Gen in showcasing the best emerging talent in the climate control sector and promoting it as a career of best choice. For young people thinking about career options, this industry has it all. Variety on the job, working with the latest technology, long-term job security, and most importantly, great pay. Few industries offer more diversity. We have aviation, marine, manufacturing, automotive, not to mention a wide range of options in the stationery sector with buildings. With its technical nature and environmental impact, our industry makes a real and positive difference. Nowhere is this more apparent than the outstanding young people who make up the next generation top 20 under 25. The bottom line is, rack technicians make a huge contribution to our daily lives, transporting food, preserving vaccines and medicines, you name it. We as an industry can be rightly proud of the Next Gen winners for 2023. Congratulations, one and all.
Thank you, Glenn, and thank you to the Council for your ongoing support. Next Gen is a great way to showcase our talented technicians who come from every state and territory across Australia. Let's begin. Our first technician is Dylan Brown from Anycool Refrigeration in Queensland. Now, Dylan is a fourth-year apprentice who followed in the footsteps of his father, who is also a technician. Let's go cross over to Dylan on the job.
Hi, I'm Dylan. I'm a fourth-year apprentice at Anycool Refrigeration. I have my capstone tomorrow and I've got this. So I work at Anycool Refrigeration, focusing on industrial and commercial refrigeration. Specifically, we're in the food processing and storage sector. I've enjoyed learning a broad range of disciplines, including understanding the refrigeration process, including its physics and energy, fault finding and repairing of all types of refrigeration systems, the installation of refrigeration systems including cool room construction, pipe work and electrical, with the commissioning being satisfying. I've learnt steel fabrication and welding, as well as our company developing bespoke systems that aims to minimise refrigerant charge, which has been very interesting. I've met a broad range of people in my journey, and I've created new friends and contacts. I'm currently participating in the application engineering side of the trade, and the trade from here will afford me a choice of direction in furthering my career, which is exciting but challenging.
Thank you, Dylan. Next, we have Australian Refrigeration Services technician Chantel Mayers. Now, Chantel completed her apprenticeship in 2023 and loves working in industrial refrigeration. Next, we have Jake Johnson, a 22-year-old technician from Cold Logic. Jake is in the final year of his apprenticeship. Our next technician is Frank Taylor from Grosvenor Engineering Group. Frank completed his apprenticeship last year. Let's cross over to Frank at work so he can tell us why he loves the trade.
Hi, my name is Frankie Taylor and I work in HVAC. There's many reasons why I enjoy working in HVAC. Some may include the problem solving aspect. That one especially I enjoy because I like using my head, I like fixing problems. It's a trade which is very complex and very versatile as well. It's hands-on, so if you like using tools, that's a tick in the box for sure. I think there's also a sense of satisfaction when you can come in and repair someone's aircon or cold room or freezer. As far as an industry goes, there's always going to be a demand for HVAC, especially on critical related equipment such as refrigeration.
Thank you, Frank. It was great to hear from you. Okay, next we have 4 technicians from High Flow Integrated Services Group. The bigger companies sometimes nominate 12 to 15 technicians. Obviously we can't take all of them, but I think I should, just explain why some companies have so many technicians in the top 20. Okay, this is high flow technician Alex Nolan. One day, Alex hopes to open his own air conditioning business. Meet Bryce Bell. He initially went to university to study engineering. After a year, he realised that he was more suited to a trade. He loves it so much, he is already planning to do a second trade to become a dual tradesman. Now, that's dedication. Our next high flow integrated services group technician is Corey Howgate. He too hopes to one day start his own business. Finally, we have Curtis Howard, who initially set out to become an electrician. He's thankful that he ended up in HVAC and R. This isn't the first time Curtis has received recognition this year. He also received high praise from customers for his outstanding work during Cyclone Alfred in Queensland recently. Good work. Okay, meet Matterhorn refrigeration technician Samuel Zarafa. Sam has completed his apprenticeship. He loves the job because each day is different. He says this is a trade with plenty of variety. Meet Brandon Whitehouse from Max Air Conditioning Services. Brandon says the most challenging part of the job is the fault finding. I think I heard that from a few technicians. Our next three technicians are from the Knockin Group. Meet Kyle Matthews. Kyle said he always wanted to do a trade and went in search of an apprenticeship straight out of school. Next from the Knockin Group is Matthew Hicken. Matthew is 18 years of age and is in the second year of his apprenticeship. He is followed by Blake Tatum. Blake is also 18 and is in the second year of his apprenticeship. These guys start early. Blake was introduced to the trade by his father. Okay, this is Umiak refrigeration technician, Shanae Halden. Now, Shanae also has completed her apprenticeship. She said she loves working in refrigeration because there's plenty of opportunity in this industry for career progression. Meet Oliver Stephen Smith from Pack Air Services over in Perth. Oliver started out doing work experience during school holidays at an air conditioning company. By the time he left school, he had landed an apprenticeship. Down the track, Oliver wants to work his way into a management position. This is Precise Air Group technician, Marcus Schutrum. Marcus is a first-year apprentice who thrives on all things HVAC. He likes the idea of one day becoming a supervisor or a team leader. Go Marcus. Meet Samuel Maliak, who is also from Precise Air Group. Let's cross over to Samuel on the job and hear from him firsthand.
Hey, it's Sam here from Precise Air Group, New South Wales. Just here to answer your questions. How did I get into the trade? I got into the trade by applying on JobSeek. I wasn't actually looking for to be an apprentice in air conditioning, but I just found it and applied it, and I've loved it ever since. It's been a great ride. What I love most about the trade, I enjoy the challenging aspect of it. I enjoy solving issues, solving service calls, working out electrical faults, refrigerant faults, all sort of faults. I really enjoy fixing it and getting a system up and running. I'd say the most challenging aspect of this trade is when it comes to controls. You've got to be really critical, really think about what you're doing before you make the commitment to it. But yeah, with all patience and learning, that can be solved. I'd say my plans and ambitions for the future to progress in where I am. So I'm currently a fourth year apprentice about to be a tradesman, and I would just like to further progress in Precise Air Group itself. Hopefully become a team leader one day, that's the goal. But yeah, I really enjoy what I do. I love my job and it's been great. Thank you.
Good job, Samuel. Great to hear from you. Okay, our next technician is Ashley Coombs from Simmons Heating and Cooling in Adelaide. The 25-year-old says working in this trade is never dull. There is always something new to learn. We're down to our final two technicians. Okay, this is Blake Hannington from Woolworths. He is currently working in the installation space, but is keen to dive deeper into the service and commissioning side of the job. And finally, meet Ali Zaid from Zeal Refrigeration. Ali enjoys working in commercial refrigeration and hopes to eventually learn more about transport refrigeration. Well, there you have it, our Next Gen Superstars for 2025. Congratulations to everyone that made the top 20, and thanks again to our sponsor, the Australian Refrigeration Council.